So let's imagine this is your pallu part. This is the fabric from which you're making the dress. So you fold your pallu by half like this. You fold your fabric like this half. Now on this corner, mark your shoulder plus 1 inch. So if your shoulder is 3 inches, mark 4 inches over here. Okay, go half inch in from here and mark your armhole. If you're not doing it the draping way, if you're doing directly, then you measure your armhole and divide it by half. So let's say if your armhole is let's say 14, so divide by 2, 7. This should be 7. So mark 7 inches, mark a point here. Okay, from here, this part is from your shoulder to your underarm. Okay, so, or if you've done the draping, you've already put your pin there. So this is that part. You will do a stitch from here to here, a stitch from here, and a stitch from here to all the way down. Now what is this part? If you haven't seen the draping and if you're doing directly on the armhole, if this is your body, this thing is your armhole, which divide by 2 is what you're marking here. From here to this armhole, if you're taking this entire circle, that divide by 2. So if this entire circle is coming out to be 30, you will divide it by 2. That becomes 15. So the measurement from here to here is 15. This part will be open. From here to the remaining towards this fold, you will give a stitch and you will give a stitch here. So all in all, you're just giving 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and your dress is ready. Now let's see how to do the sewing of this whole thing. You can similarly cut your lining fabric also, and your lining will be joined from your armhole and from this opening. So lining will be sewn along this opening and along this armhole. Let's see it in the video.